Number problems using the number line.
Hello, welcome. We have with us here some problems which we are going to work concerning number lines. Okay, so the topic is on numbers in general. The first question which we're going to look at says, the temperature at 8 a.m. is minus 2 degrees. By midday, it is 5 degrees warmer. What is the temperature at midday? Okay. So here we're going to try to solve this question. The first one is showing us a number here. We're going to start from minus 2. So we're going to try to use a number line. So here I'm going to draw a number line. This will be our 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Right, so the question is saying at 8 a.m. the temperature is minus 2. So it's here, minus 2 here. So if it is 5 degrees warmer, minus 2 is cold. So for 5 degrees warmer, it means it has increased by 5 degrees. So when we increase, we add, all right? So we're going to move how many places to the right? When we're adding on a number line like this one, on a horizontal number line, when we add, we move to the right. So we're going to move 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is our final answer. So what temperature is it at midday? The temperature is
3 degrees Celsius.
Alright, let's move on to the second one. Use the number line to help you answer these questions. First one, minus 15 minus 3. So when we are doing a problem like this one, minus 15 minus 3. So when we subtract 3, we move. When we subtract on a horizontal number line, we move to the left. When we add, we move to the right. So minus 3 would have an arrowhead like this one. So this would be minus 3 in this direction. Okay? So if we are moving 3 places to the right, it will be minus 16, minus 17, and minus 18 here. So this will be minus 16, minus 17. Alright, so numbers on a horizontal number line get smaller as we move to the left and increase as we move to the right. So here, if we are subtracting 3, we come here first. We're going to come here 1, minus 2, minus 3, and our answer will be minus 18. And if we add, we move to the right. So we're going to move 3 places to the right. It will be like this. Minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 14 here, minus 13, minus 12. So minus 15 plus 3, it will be minus 12. So minus 15 minus 3, to put the answers in the empty spaces, minus 3 minus 15 gives us minus 18. So in this one, minus 15 plus 3. So what this means, the opposite of this is minus 18 plus 3 gives us minus 15. Why? Because to get to minus 15, we've moved the 3 places to the right of a certain number, right? So this certain number is this one which we calculated here. So now, to work out the difference between each pair of numbers, minus 6 and minus 2, difference, this is the keyword. To calculate the difference, we're going to subtract. So this will be, we're going to draw our number line. So this will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 7, 8. Okay, so maybe let's move on. -1, -2. Right, so what is the difference between 6 and -2? Right, what we can do is we can start at -2 and count how many places we need to get to reach to 6. So from -2, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the difference between 6 and -2 is 8. Okay, so what this means is we can say 6 minus -2 equals to 8. Okay, let's look at the next one. B, it says -3 and -5. So I'm going to draw another number line here. -3 and -5. So here I'll put -2, -3, -4, -5, and -1 and 0. Right, so how many places are we counting from -3 to get to -5, or from -5 to get to -3? -5, 1, 2. So it means the difference here is 2. Okay, and then the next one is -4 and -8. -4 and -8, I'm going to draw a number line extending there. So here -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, right? Maybe here -3, -2. Okay, so now we need to just count the number of places from -4 to -8, or from -8 to -4. So from -8, how many places are we moving? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it means the difference there is 4. We can say -8 plus 4 gives us -4. Or we can say, if we're going this direction, -4 minus 4 gives us -8. Right, let's look at this one, 0 and -2. 0 and -2, 0. -1, -2, -3, you just put 1 and 2 here. Right, so let's see how many times we move from 0 to get to -2, or from -2 to get to 0. 1, 2. So here the difference is 2. Okay, then we're left with 2. Let's try out this one. -6 and -1. -6 and -1. -6 and -1. So I'm going to draw the number line. This is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and I put -6 here, maybe another -7. Right, so now to find the difference between -6 and -1, I can count from -6, 1, 2, here, 3, 4, and 5. So here it is 5, because I move 5 places to the right or 5 places to the left to get to each of the two numbers there. Then the last one, it says find the difference between -5 and 3. So another number line. This one is a bit longer. So I'll put my graduations here. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 there. Okay, so now how do I move from there to there? It's very easy. I'm just going to count like I was doing in the other examples, from -5 to 3. How many places am I going to move to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the difference between minus 5 and 3 is 8. Either I can say 3 minus 5, or minus 5 plus 8 gives me the same answer, 8. Alright, so these are the answers.